Good day everyone. Today we'll explore communities, what makes them work. At the core are elements like citizenship, rights, participation, and shared identity that bind people together. Communities are built on three key structures: social, which shapes our relationships; political, which guides governance; and economic, which manages how we produce and share resources. According to De Los Santos 2017, social structures refers to how behaviors, roles, and statuses connects us, creating stable network of interaction and relationships. Political structure isn't just about government. As De Los Santos 2017 notes, it includes groups, institutions, movements, and all of us as part of the political landscape. Here in the Philippines, the barangay is our first point of contact. It's where we raise concerns, come together, and work on projects for the community's goods. Economic structure describes a community's system for producing, distributing, and consuming goods and services, keeping life and growth moving forward. Beyond social, political, and economic system, we must consider environmental structures. Our environment plays a vital role in all aspects of life. Sadly, we face real issues: floods, waste buildup, and destruction that affects families and communities across the country. But every single one of us has a part to play. We all share the responsibility to protect and care for our environment today and for future generations.